Hi, this is Param. In this video, we will talk about the multi-match query. Okay, so multi-match query is also one of the query which comes under the full text query match, right? Okay, so as this diagrams you can understand. Let me scroll. Okay. Here you can see there is multi-match, right? So combine field and the multi-match both. Okay, combined field and the multi match both are working for the multi field. Okay, so remaining type of or group of the queries are working in the single field. Okay, so that means match, bool prefix, match phrase, then match phrase prefix, then interval. Okay, so these are all working with the single field. Okay, but combined field and multi match is working in the both are working in the working for multiple field. That means more than one field. The given terms, okay, given terms can be searched with more than one fields. Okay, combined field, of course, in terms it create the boolean query. Okay, in terms it create the boolean query. Okay, so that's why there we say it's a terms and tricks. Okay, let me zoom it. Okay, combined queries are term centric. Okay, whereas multi match is field centric. What is the difference between these two? Okay, I'll tell you. See, we in the combined query, the above case, in the combined query, what I think I have given the very detailed explanation in my previous video. Okay, okay, but just I'll touch a few things in that combined field also. Okay, so if it is a term centric means the given terms wherever it match, okay, it can be matched as long as it matches any one of the field. Okay, so it's a multi-field, right? So obviously we will configure multiple field. Okay, so on the given term, as long as matches to any one of the in fact any one of the terms, okay, in fact any one of the terms matches with any one of the field, then obviously take the document. So to fetch a document, okay, to fetch a document, the term is play the important role. Let me repeat, to fetch a document or to return a document, the given particular term is play the important role, but whereas the field is play the important roles. That's why whether this particular document has to be returned or not, that the field is will play the important role to decide the criteria. So that's why we will say the field centrics. When we explain about the match type, you can understand what is field centrics. Okay. Okay. The second thing is what is it supports text non-text field. Okay, and accept the text field that do not share the same analyzer. Here that is opposite. Okay, it combined field support only the text field. Okay, support only text field, and all the text fields should be used the same analyzer with respect to the combined field. In multi match, it's straight opposite. Okay. Okay, then of course in both places we in both supporting since both are supporting multi field, multi field match, obviously both are supporting the per field boosting. So you can do you can change the boosting per field, not term. Okay, per field. Okay, so if it is matched a particular term, then that score will be increased. That's what. Okay. Okay, and let's say we have the first name and last names. If the given terms match in the last name, okay, then obviously if you have the in the per field change per field score, if it's modified, then when a particular document match, so that match for a particular things, then obviously the score will be increased. So if the score will be increased, what is the purpose? The document will be popped up in the first. That's what. That is what. Okay, very simple. See, I am searching like my name. Okay, so my names. Okay, it can be any places, right? It can be in comment section, or it can be last name, it can be a first name, or it can be new joiner. Okay, in many, let's say we have those many fields are there. Okay, in any of the fields it is there. Okay, my name can be there, but if the my name is placed in the reporter, okay, then bring those document, then that's how we can, that is where per field boosts are working. Okay, so since it is since my name can match with many field, it is there in many field. Okay, if it is matched with let's say in the reporter field, in that I can increase my score. If I increase my score, what will happen? It will let me show the query per field here. Okay, match type, let me close it, I don't want right now. Okay, let me close all the stuff. Okay, it is not closing. Okay, this is what I am talking now. here for subject I am just increasing the score by 3. Okay, assume that. Okay, so as I said, the reporter columns is matched, field is matched. Then though my name matches with the many columns, okay, many columns. Okay, if it is matched the reporter columns, okay, instead of subject, okay, instead of subject, if it is a reporter, I can say multiple by 3. Then obviously those record will be in the top of the result. That's it. That is the role of per field search. Okay. Okay. Then of course these are the fields. Okay. Here instead of talking about the fields, okay, we are talking about the types. Okay. There we are talking about the types. So almost 6 different types are there. Okay, 6 different types are there. How so these types are vary based on how the terms matched against the field. That's how it is matched. That's how it will be vary. Okay, there are 6 types. Okay, that's what I can say: best field, most field, cross field, phrase and the phrase prefix, boolean prefix. Okay. Okay, so obviously these are differ by the scoring. That's what I have put here as in the bracket. Okay, based on scoring method will be vary. Okay, how they are scoring. I tell you here, if you are using best field, okay, then though see we have given 2 to 3 documents, right? 2 to 3 documents based on the score. Okay, based on the score, let's say I have given my, again let's say I come to my name. Okay, my name. So again it is in the first name and last names. Okay, but even in the comment section also. Okay, but let's say assume that my name is searched. I will put into all first name and last name and the comment section. Okay, comment field. So among these 3 field, it based on the scoring. Okay, assume that my name, my names maybe appear more than one times. Okay, or maybe partially into other times in the comment field. Okay, so obviously the comment field will have more score value. Obviously the comment field will have more score on for the given terms. Then obviously what will happen? Whatever the document, their comment sections are matched for the given string, then it will be written in the top. That's what. Okay, sorry. Those score will taken. Okay, so those documents will taken in the for the scoring. Okay, sorry. Comment field score value is taken. That's go. So it will choose. So though you have the given terms are matched in more than one field, though it will choose the best one. So based on the scoring, that's it. It will choose the best one based on the scoring. That's it. Okay, scoring. Then here, then one more thing. Okay, this also phrase and the phrase prefix. These two also choose the best field. Okay, so why I am saying that, see, best field again in turn writing a match query, right? So similarly, best field writing, yeah, in turn it is not going to run straight away. Okay, it will rewrite and behind the scene. Okay, as by the match query. Okay, so similarly, phrase and match phrase, sorry, phrase and the phrase prefix. Okay, these two type of matching. So what will happen now? It use the, instead of match query, it use the match phrase. That's what. That is only the different for the terms. Okay, I will show the demo. Okay, by showing the demo you can understand. Okay, so only that here we will use match query. Here we will use match phrase query. That's what. Here we will use match phrase prefix query. Here you can see now. Here it is here only. Why I am talking. Here match phrase prefix, match phrase query. Okay, that's what. These two type of query will be used. Okay, for the best field, match query will be used. For best field, match query will be used. If it is phrase and phrase prefix, these two type of queries used in turn. That's what. That's how it is different. But all these 3 are taking the best. Though the given terms matched with the many field, whichever giving the best score, then that field, so okay, whatever the documents giving the more score value, okay, then corresponding documents will be returned. That's why we will say it's a field centric rather than term centric. That way we will say it's a field centric. Okay, so based on the field, the matching document selected. Okay, based on the field, yeah, based on the field means what? Its score is more when compared with other fields. That's what. Okay, based on the field, the match documents is returned. Say assume that. Okay, that's what again the same samples. Okay, so if it for a given search terms, okay, if you are matching, if it is matching for more than one field, okay, then which field giving more score value, then those document only taken. So assume that we have two documents, let's say 3 documents, okay. So both are all these 3 documents is matched, but and the third document, let's say the third document's score value is more because of the column, the matching field is different, okay. Then obviously what will happen? So then the third documents will be chosen. First 2 will be ignored, okay. That's why we will say it's a field centric. Based on the particular field score value, the written document will be vary whenever there is more than one match available, okay. Okay, so I think I have covered the best field and the phrase prefix. Okay, bool prefix. What is the bool prefix? Nah? So very simple. Okay, bool prefix and the most field. Okay, there we will do combine. Okay, we will do combine all the match. Okay, we will do the combines. Okay, bool prefix. What will happen? It will create the match bool prefix query. Okay, it will create the match match bool prefix query, okay. Okay, and it will combine whatever the columns, it may be matched with more than one field in every document. Then what will happen? The scoring value will be summed, okay, from all the fields. That's how best bool prefix works. Then what is most field and cross query, right? Okay. So most field, okay, I'll tell you most field. What is it? It will combine. Let's say the given documents match with more than one field, okay. More than one field, then all of the scoring values will be summed, okay, okay. So that's how most field works, okay. Then which one is cross field is very lengthy, but the one thing is what is I can tell you here, from here it is same analyzer, okay. So to work with the cross field, it has to be all the columns has to be same analyzer. That is what requirement for the combined field, right? It should be all the fields should be use the same analyzer. The similar stuff here, okay. So cross fields, but why? Okay, we will see in the demo and the documentations, okay. But one thing, sir, one thing is very, in the multi-match to understand the multi-match is kind of bit complex, I agree. But you know the field centric terms and I have explained very well, okay. But the cross field is confusing, okay. Cross field is a bit confusing, okay. Okay, sure. I will explain with the demo and the documentations. Okay, so I think this is very generic, okay. I can close all the stuff. Now I will go with the best fields. It's very simple by saying query simple, okay, it's very simple, okay. So this is the term, okay, box free brown box, okay. I'm checking. It's a best field types, okay. It will be checking in both field, okay. It will be checking in the both field. Whichever field is score value is more, then that field, let's say if it is as a message, then that document will be taken, okay, rather than subject documents, okay. Okay, so here is the documentation, so you can understand very clear. If I miss something, okay. If I miss something here, you can see here, right? Say the brown box, okay, yeah, okay. So brown box matched in a single field, okay. And then in the brown only is matched with if it is matched with, let's okay, so let me tell you like this, okay. Brown box matched the single field, okay, in one document, and in another document, okay, brown matched in one field and fox is matched in another field. So obviously it is multi-match, right? It is multi-match, right? So obviously each terms will be searched in both places. Okay. So obviously what will happen? So assume that brown is matched with here and here, box is matched with here and here. Okay. So obviously what will happen? If the whole term, if it is matched in any one of the field, that field will be play the important role to return the document. That's what. Here you can see subject, okay. In both they will be checking. So okay, assume that in subject you will find that brown box, okay. In the message you are finding only the brown, okay, not fox. Then obviously what will happen now? So the subject, whatever the document match subject, okay, then those documents will be picked up, rather than they will be ignoring the message matching. Then they will be ignore the message mapping document. That's what, okay. Nothing else, okay. That's what. So whatever the given terms, if it is matched the single document, then it will choose that single match. Okay. Of course, it support all the parameters. Obviously, what is a multi-match? Multi-match are rewritten by the matching only. Okay, matching query. Here you can see that. Okay, max. Okay, that's right. Here you can see the match query. Okay, match query. So obviously, whatever the parameters are available in the match query, all are supported here also. Okay, but there is here one problem in the best match, the best field match. Okay, I'll tell you. So if you are putting operator and the minimum should match, then this will not work. Why? Oh, okay. So here you have put and, na? Okay. Then what will happen? The term, it will return the any document. Okay, the any document, the given terms available in all of the field. Will Smith should be available first name and last name as well. Then only it will return the document. Obviously, it is not case, right? So that is a problem. Okay. So so in that case, if you want to like that only, you should go with combined field. That's what here. Okay, combined field operators or cross field. Okay, combined field or cross field. In that case, you can get the documents. Okay, obviously this will not return any document. Okay, this will not return the document because of, see, that's what, all term must be present. All term must be present in every field. How come possible? No, right? First name in the first name field, second names in second field. That's how it should match, right? That's how it match. That's how the best field will do, right? Okay. If you are expecting and, then it will should match in both in the same thing. Here you can see, then first name should be Will and first name should match. Last name should have Will, last name also should have Smith. Then obviously it will not be like that. Okay. Then obviously you will not get any records or document. So this is the problem whenever you are using and minimum should match operators. If you are not using these two, then that's fine. If you are using, then you can consider the combined field or cross field. Okay. Then most field. Of course, what will here among that is what best field. So okay. So best field among the matching, it will try to get, it will return only the best one. If it is matched single field, something best one. Okay. Or it will, it's like this. Okay, a document matching by 3 field or another document matching by 2 field, then only 2 field document will be field matching document will be returned to the user. That's how. See, very simple. By the given match, very simple, sir. Because of a given word, why these kind of things are there? Na? See, a given word can match in many places, right? Let's say hi Param. Okay, hi Param can be matched in many document. We don't want simply find and replace. Okay. As a search engine, or as analytical tools, we want the best one. Okay, we want the best one. Hyperm can be in many documents or many places. I don't want to go through all the stuff. I want the best one. What is the recent one or something where it is matched 2 times? Okay, okay. So my match should be the relevance. That's why we will call it a relevance score. Okay, that's why we call it relevance score. Based on the relevance score, only the relevance document has to be in the top. Though it's the 10,000 documents are matched. Okay, you just give me only the most relevant document. How we can do the relevance score? How we can the relevance? If there is more relevant score, obviously we can put it in the top. That's fine. How we can calculate the relevant score? That is where these many types are there. Okay, these many different types, these many different matching types are there. Best field, most field, cross field, bool field, the match phrase, many types are there. Okay. Okay, so that is where all the matching types are, how it is match. Okay, the most field. Okay, the most field, what is again here it should match. So we have given quick brown box. Okay, now we have given most field. So the given term, it may be there is a brown. It may be available in original and string. Okay, or it may be Fox may be available only in this ones. Okay, so the wherever the terms, number of terms, let's say here we have 3 terms. Okay, some document may have match only one. Some document may match more than in 2 field. Some document may match in 3 fields. Okay, what is will happen? The 3 fields matching, right, that will be in the top. That's what we can. That is what we can. That's okay. Here you can see, right, the most field is most useful when multiple fields contain the same text. That's what, contain same text analyzed in different way. Yes, this is the way, sir. Most field, okay, contain but different ways, analyzed with different ways. I think I have put in my diagrams. Most field, okay. Yes, here same text but different analysis differently. Okay, that is a place. Okay, for instance, the main field may contain synonyms, okay, and stemming and terms without discards. Okay, another diacritics, I don't know. The second field may contain only original terms. The third field contain the single only the shingles. I don't know what is meaning. Okay, so obviously what is the main field will have both. Okay, so synonyms, stemming, and other stuff. Okay, it is there. Okay, then obviously the main field, whatever the documents with the match in the main field, those documents will be returned. That's it, or it will be in the top. By combining score, you can see it. So by combining score for all of these three fields, okay, which match as many document, and it will do the divide as well. Okay, similar to something, divide by number of terms, something, number of matches, something. Okay. So this is what, sir, exactly. Okay, so title, in title we will be checking whether any one of is matched. In that originals we will check whether it is matched. Okay, in signals we will match check. Okay, so what will happen? So we will be of course any documents matching with anyone, it will be returned. Okay, then score now we have to calculate score value. Based on score value will be in the top. Okay, so what this thing now, it will combine all the score. Let's say we have a document. Okay, one document. Okay, that document it can match this value, it can match this one. Okay, in another document this may match this one and this one. Okay, then another third document may match all these three. Then obviously what will happen, in each document, for each document we have to calculate the score value under return, under result return. Now, scoring is calculating score is based on the given query string. It is not a constant one like indexing value. Okay, it's not constant value, so we cannot index score value. Score value has to be calculated after every query basis, right? So obviously what is in the third document matched the given terms in three field. Okay, the second document only two field, first document also two field. What will happen? So then the third document will be in the top. That's it. The third document will be in the top. That's it, sir, nothing else. Okay, so that's why. So most field, how many fields are matched for the given things? Okay, if you are using obviously multi-field, obviously all these things we are discussing right now, multi-field. So obviously that we will check multi-field. Okay, and it matches more number of fields. Okay, for the given terms, matched in many fields. Then that whatever the field is most matching, then you take that one. Okay, phrase and prefix, just it's again it's kind of match. Instead of match, it will use the phrase match phrase and match phrase prefix. Okay, that's what they have explained. Fusion is not supported by the match prefix. Similarly, fusion is not supported by the bool prefix as well, right? Okay, slope. Okay, slope is not supported. Okay, but somewhere also I have seen. Okay, fusion is not supported. Okay, sir. Okay, now we have seen the best field and the most field. Now you are clear, right? Most field is based on score, based on the number of fields matched, then those document will be first. Best field, what is now? If it is matched in a single field, then okay, rather than by two field. If it is by a single field, then that document will give you the more priority or more score value. Only thing is based on the score value. That's why I told you, na. Obviously, the given term can be matched more than one document. So I want, instead of 10,000 documents, instead of going through, I want among these 10,000 documents, among these 10,000 matching documents, I want to prioritize. I want to bring into top 10. Okay, that's why for that only we are working. Most field, best field, cross field, everything. Okay. Okay. Then cross field, of course, it's a terms and tricks. That means terms and tricks means what? It is a combined field. It acts as a combined field, right? Yes, it acts as a combined field. Obviously, what is now? But the thing is, what is now? Here, it can be terms and tricks. Yeah, I should have same analyzer. Yes, terms and tricks analyzers. Okay, if it is now, we will go for the combined field type. Then why we have to use multi-match? Okay, so what is now? They are doing some grouping. Okay, fields are same analyzer grouped. So it's a next level, I would say. It's an advanced version of combined field. That's what I can say. It advanced. Okay, come across field, right? Okay, it is advanced version of combined field. That's what I can say. Okay. Okay, so cross field just obviously same analyzer. Same analyzer means we can use combined field, right? So it's a term centric. Yes, it is a term centric. But what is the thing now? It will do grouping, many groupings. Okay, there will be single grouping. Okay, in the cross field we will do the it will okay, in the cross field. Okay, we will grouping multiple groups. Okay, it will be and base and the score value will be taken from the best group. That's what. Okay, it's kind of it's what I can say now. It's kind of a bit complex. Okay, it's right a bit complex. Even I could not able to understand properly. In fact, okay, that's what I can say. Okay, but one thing I can tell you. Okay, cross field. It's terms and tricks. It should be same analyzer. That is fine. But the third one is how it is different from the combined field. Na? It will do the grouping based on the matching, matching. Okay, obviously what is mean what. So let's say we have three fields as a multi field. Okay, three fields we have given the terms. Okay, then it will try to match in all the fields. Then it will create the group based on the score value. Okay, then best score it will be taken. So that's how they are saying. So maybe if I get more work, then I will have more understanding on that. Then okay, I will explain. I can create a separate video for the class field. But it's very tough, very tough. I could not able to understand properly. Okay. Okay, tiebreaker, just to modify that. Okay, yeah, that's what. Yeah, fusness. Yeah, fusness cannot be used multiple. Okay, already one more thing cannot be used the fusness. Here also we cannot use best field. Cannot use. Yeah, best field cannot use the cross fusness. Similarly, cross field also cannot use the fusness. Okay. Of course, pull prefix it is just a syntax difference, sir. Okay, it is just a syntax difference, but with the more than one field. That's what. It is also what is a match pull prefix. Instead of single field, it will create more than one field. That's so difference. Okay, let's go to diagram here. Okay, let me go to the full view. Okay, what happened? Okay, so here. Okay, match pool prefix run for a single query. Sorry, for the single field. Here, what is pool prefix run for the many field. That's what. Only the queries match pool prefix is used here to instead of match query. Okay, but of course the things are combined as scoring values are combined, and that's how it whichever documents giving more score value, those document will be in the first top, bring it to the top values. Okay. Now we can understand some more things. Okay, I want to review that all the types in separate video. Okay, thanks for watching.